welcome back to another Too Many Freaking Crafts. I am your host, Random Ruth. I have another name, but that's what we call ourselves here. Anyways, we are continuing our Rainbow Brite custom Funko Pop. Funko Pop only makes Rainbow Brite and her little buddy Twink as final figures. They don't make anyone else, any other member of the Color Kids. Today we're working on finishing Canary Yellow.
That's me!
Last time we added the hair. She used to be the goth figure of Sydney Bristow from the We kind of cut off some of the hair and then added her own hair. And then we're gonna be adding on her fuzzy leg warmers.
Absolutely love the leg warmers.
Her little vest, little bodysuit thing, and those kind of wing-like sleeves. And all that we're gonna do with our epoxy sculpts clay, super awesome clay, best stuff ever. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. All right. So first off, we gotta give her leg warmers. Leg warmers. That's what those are. Leg warmers. Okay. Well.
Come, family. Sit in the snow with Daddy and let us all bask in television's warm, glowing, warming glow.
Alright, now you're all up close and personal with me while I work on turning her into her. Okay. Alright, we gotta make some fuzzy leg warmers. First we gotta wrap her legs with stuff. Now, not gonna be perfect right at first. We have plenty of time to we're gonna make them more like warmery. Okay, now she's got some kind of ballet slippers on, so we're gonna move, tilt this up a little so that we can see those ballet slippers. And plus that's kind of what she has going on in her original design. The leg warmers kind of go around your bottom of her feet, like her heel, not the front. Okay, alright, so there's one leg warmer. The basis of it anyways. And we're gonna add another. Alright. You're doing good. I'm particularly fond of Canary Yellow. I love yellow.
I'd like 25 copies on Goldenrod.
Right.
25 on Canary. 25 on Saffron. And 25 on Paella.
Okay, 100 yellow.
One of my favorite colors. And I always kind of liked her spunky style. I liked her little wings on her shirt. I think her clothes were a bit different than the other girls. Well, her and Indigo were a little more tomboyish. And I was kind of a tomboy growing up, so that appealed to me.
You go, girl!
But she's all spunky and cute, and I like that too. She's also blonde, and I'm technically a blonde, or at least I was when I was a kid. Not much blonde anymore, but I was once. So I identify myself as blonde.
Whoa! This just in, I've been lying about my hair.
That's amazing!
I am back. Alright, back to work on our cute little Miss Canary Yellow. Okay. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna do this fuzzy. Give her the fuzzy texture that she needs.
Fuzzy wuzzy, fuzzy.
That's what we want it to look like. Okay. We're gonna put just a little bit more. Yee. On the bottom of this shoe.
My shoe!
Suit thing going on. She's gonna have a bodysuit. So, gotta make this look kind of like she's wearing underpants, underwear. Hey, baby. I'm making stuff. I'm making stuff. Yep, Mom's making stuff. Mommy's making stuff. Yeah, Lucy, Mama's making stuff. Oh, I'm gonna help. Paint? Is that the paint? Are you kissing the pink paint, Sue? You love that paint. Oh, it's for sculpting, honey. And that's my clay I'm going to need for what I'm doing. Wait, stop. Don't do that. That's dangerous.
My utility belt. Is this what you are looking for?
Daddy, please.
That looks amazing!
Well, that's all we have time for today. We got a lot of good stuff done. Got most of Canary Yellow's little suit made. Anyways, thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you next time on
Too many freaking crafts!